Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video, my topic is to use Python library Tkinter to make a GUI graphical user interface like this. If you want to create this beautiful GUI like name, father name, your mobile number, and click the register and click the cancel like this. So start our video from first of all we import Tkinter. I import Tkinter from from Tkinter import. I import Tkinter and start to then second step first step to import Tkinter and second step is to rename our screen. I rename our screen like HD. So we label the yeah, my screen will name like HD name. And second step to title represent title from our screen like this, Python project species like this. To create a title, dot title this this is like this. This is the my this is the my screen title like this. I run and can see and enter and step number four to create what you want to create. I want to create a label where equal to label window and you enter your name and your name and replace this. Also this is spec.spec and you can use to place and grid method I use to spec. And second step number four is to create an entry form to enter your name to variable entry dot and replace this and motor and create a second label form for the name way to equal to label level hd and text. Yeah. And enter your father name. and to create a entry for further name to and to create an entry and type entry our screen name and comma text text no entry not want to write text dot net net and enter. My secondary as Mac has been created and I create a method variable sorry equal to variable variable comma and comma to text text and enter your mobile number your phone number enter your phone number and to create an entry form enter entry number entry 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 equal to entry and then start with yes I cannot repair that and yes back enter express enter my entry and name has been created label has been created and I create message 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 what to message comma text equal to text equal to welcome are you sure and replace it as text and my message has been created to are you sure to register this and step number and then I create a button to click me or register and equal to button and equal to I want to register button. Get register button and replace that is back replace that is back no and enter my button has been created button has been created, and another button is cancel. For cancel, to cancel this, and to and text equal to cancel my app. Cancel. I create the second name, rename to it cancel, and replace that back, and my task has completed. To write dot my code has been completed. I run this. We want to create a graphical user interface. And we can see to make graphical user interface and not to make to run my code. This has been created. Wow, nice. I am name and father name and enter your mobile number, and this is how you should to register. Click on register and cancel. Cancel. So my video has been completed. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and